Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the AirPlay is not working on your iPhone and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is we have to make sure that you're running on the latest version of software update, or if you're having any update, just update it. So to do so, we have to go over here, go to the settings. Now from here we have to scroll it down and navigate to the general. And from here you have to tap on the software update. So if you are having any kind of trouble with the software update, or you're in the lower version of software update, that is the reason. So just make sure that you're updating this to the latest version, same on a device as well as the opposite device in which you wanted to do the screen mirroring. Just make sure that the AirPlay in which you wanted to do, for example an iPad, make sure that is also the latest version of software. That is what we have to do as the first one. Next one is all about what we need to do is we have to make few things over here, make sure of few things. That is all about go to the settings. Now from here we have to scroll it down and navigate to the general. From here we have to scroll it down and navigate to the AirPlay and continuity. From here make sure these things are done on your device, especially on your iPhone. And also go to over here at the top, that automatic AirPlay. So if this has been set to never, that is the reason why this AirPlay is not working. Make sure that either you set this to automatic or ask. So it's a good practice, always keep this on automatic like it did. And once you're done with this one, you have to just go back. Now from here, go back once again and go to the Wi-Fi here. Make sure that I'm on this particular Wi-Fi here called Kerala Vision. So make sure that the opposite device, that the other device that you're using and the iPhone, both should be on the same Wi-Fi, right? That is very important. Both the devices should be on the same Wi-Fi. And also after cross-checking this, you can just try turning on the airplane mode. Sometimes, the airplane mode plays a vital role. So just turn on the airplane mode from here. If you wanted, you can turn it on from here. Or what you need to do is you can just go over here in the control center. You can turn on the airplane mode here as well. Just wait for a couple of seconds and you can just turn it off. Once you turn it off, you have to check with it. And after trying with the airplane mode, still if you're having the trouble, we just need to do a few more things. That is all about go over here. And you can see there is something called screen mirroring. You have to tap on this is screen mirroring over here. So make sure the other devices pop up here. For example, if I'm trying to AirPlay this particular iPhone to other device, for example, make sure that is available here. For some users, they say they're not able to see this particular icon here. If that is the case, you have to click on the plus icon over here. Now click on add a control. Now go over here in the search. Now you can type here for screen over here. So then you can just add it. So in my case, it is already added, right? So as you can see, it is already added. Once you add it, you have to just tap on it and make sure that it is available. Once done, you can just proceed with the AirPlay as it is. And still for many users, if that is not the case, if it's not working, we have to do a forced restart on your system. So to do so, we have to press the volume up followed by the volume down. And over there we have a power button. You have to keep pressing that on your device. So let me demonstrate you that. You have to press volume up followed by volume down and press and hold the power button over here like this. Make sure that you do this all in an instant of time. You should not be taking a lot of gap in between. So then you have to keep on pressing the power button over there. And you have to release it when you see the Apple logo. When you see the Apple logo, you can just release it and you can just wait for your iPhone to completely load up. So most probably sometimes a forced restart helps a lot. It is just like a lifesaver all the time. So you have to try with a forced restart most of the time. After the forced restart is done, you just need to wait a little bit of time so that your device will be load up. Once it load up, you can just give the passcode over here and you can try get into this and you have to check. Still, if you're having the trouble, then we just need to go over here to the settings. Now from here, we have to scroll it down to the general. From here, you have to scroll it down all the way down and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Go to the reset and there is an option called reset network settings. Go for the reset network settings. And when the reset network is done, it will not be deleting any of your data. Keep in mind this, you'll be losing the Wi-Fi that is connected. You have to connect back to the Wi-Fi. You should be knowing the password and all kind of reset will be done. Rest everything will be the same. So these are the steps. That's it. Bye.